Good afternoon all. Today I'm going to start the process of transferring this, which is my 19 transistor ring oscillator with alternate red and green LEDs, transferring it to this, my Merry Christmas sign. So I've got to build little modules, and I've built one. It's a green LED, just sort of bodge soldered to a transistor, a couple of capacitors, they're just in parallel to get the required timing, a couple of resistors there, and I've got to run wires between each of the sections, and on the sign they're quite far apart. Now I'm thinking of having two LEDs in the M, two in the big C, two in that big S in the middle of Christmas, not sure why there's a big S there, two in this S, two in that Y, and one in all the other letters. And that adds up to 19. Now, although I've got the red and green LED ring oscillator on my bench, which is pretty enough, I do think we need a Christmas decoration. So today I've got this little robin. This came from Clas Ohlson. It's an LED figurine. It also has this CR2450 cell. So I may not run it all the time because I don't know where you buy CR2450 cells. Haven't seen any in the pound shop. Okay, so do I need to pull anything? No, it just works. Is it a colour changing LED? Yeah, it's a colour changing LED, but that's quite nice, isn't it? Crystal robin, different colours. Now for distribution of power, I'm using 9 volts on this. There's my 9 volt rechargeable battery. I think it might be 8.4 volts actually, because it's nickel metal hydride. I'm going to use these 2 reels of wire which I bought from Alice recently. Stay there, birdie. So what I need to do is solder an incoming length and an outgoing length, and then I'm going to join them, sort of twist join them probably, between the various LEDs in the system, because it's too complicated to pre-link these because I don't know what the lengths are going to be. So I'm just going to have an incoming neg, outgoing neg, incoming pos, outgoing pos, and then I need a signal line which links the sections together, which I'll use a different colour wire for. So I think M is probably the widest letter, so really I want to be able to span from the far end of M to the far end of A. It's about 15 centimetres, I suppose. So let's cut that at 15 centimetres. Now I really want to strip this halfway down. Saves breaking it, doesn't it? So can this stripper do a strip halfway down the wire? Let's find out. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, it's closing up gradually. Now I've got my nice new pink sponge here. Got that from Morrison's, so that's good. Right, pos goes to the end of this 1K resistor, and that's the only thing that goes there. So that's that. Signal from the previous stage goes to the base of the transistor, so that's that blue wire. And outgoing signal is on the 100K resistor. Oh, that's tricky. I can't line all these up. Just about managed it. So I'm going to try and protect some of this bare exposed wires with heat shrink. So inconsistent colours, blue and yellow, but never mind, it's all I've got. So just check my creation, which is this, in the ring oscillator circuit. And yeah, that seems to work. So I'll go ahead and make some more of these. Right, I think I'll start at the E because there's plenty of space here. This is tough stuff. Tough plastic, that. Better bring that out with a 3mm. So I can get the LED through that hole. Right, push that LED firmly into that hole, and then I think we need some hot glue. So my glue gun is a Tech 175-12 power adhesives. I'm using Tech Bond 232-12-300 glue sticks. And the way I know this is warmed up is that I watch my power meter here and wait for it to get down to 18 watts because the power it draws gradually drops. When it gets to 18 watts, I know it's ready to go. Right, I think we're good to go, so let's splodge a good healthy bit of glue in there to hold that all in place. Remove the string. Don't like strings on the end of my glue sticks. Right, I should test this LED. So I've put power to the what's going to be the positive and negative ring main, 9 volts there. Now if I take the base of the transistor and use a 100k resistor and pull that up briefly to positive, yes, that LED lights. So that's working. I think that's all I can do for the moment. So yeah, only 7 days till Christmas because it's next Sunday. But that's it for part 1 of this Merry Christmas flashing green and red LED sign build. I'll spend some more time making some more of these modules, but for the moment, cheerio.